हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू S2S क्लासेज। आज हम +2 के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इसमें +2 में आपका चैप्टर 6 इज गोइंग ऑन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ क्वांटिटी वी हैव डन। नाउ टुडे इज द लेक्चर 3 on this chapter. 2 lectures has been done. Now question of the exercise 6.1, question 11 to 14. Today we have to do question number 11. So what is question number 11? 11 is in NCERT book, a particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. This is your curve. Curve means this is the function, curve of the function. तो on the curve find the points on the curve, find the point on the curve. इस पर एक पॉइंट फाइंड करना है, ठीक है, at which the y coordinates is changing. Y coordinate is changing means dy, okay, 8 times the fast as the x coordinate. इस कर्व पर एक ऐसा पॉइंट फाइंड करना है जो कि y जो चेंज हो रहा है वो 8 टाइम्स द फास्ट एज द x कोऑर्डिनेट। मीन्स दिस इज गिवन अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन कि dy जो है वो इक्वल टू dy रेट ऑफ चेंजिंग ऑफ y कोऑर्डिनेट चेंजिंग dy बेटा। तो dy इज इक्वल टू 8 टाइम्स एज द फास्ट ऑफ द x कोऑर्डिनेट इज इक्वल टू 8 टाइम्स यानी 8 इंटू dx गिवन अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन दिस इज गिवन। ओके बेटा, नाउ इफ दिस गिवन तो वी हैव टू फाइंड बेटा दिस, व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड, अंडरस्टैंड, saying which the y coordinate is a changing 8 times the as fast as the x coordinate. तो find the point यानी x, y we have to find. Okay बेटा, that will come if differentiate it with respect to x, then 6 into dy by dx with respect to x. Okay बेटा, नाउ दिस इज इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब का डेरिवेटिव पावर फॉर्मूला एन एक्स पावर एन माइनस 1, तो 3x पावर 2, 3x स्क्वायर यू नो वेरी वेल, एंड प्लस 2 इज 0 प्लस 0. ओके, देन हेयर दिस फ्रॉम हेयर इक्वेशन 1 फाइंड हेयर dy बाय dx. तो व्हाट इज हेयर dy बाय dx from this given is equal to 8. Okay beta, dx will come and divide this side, so this value we have to use here. Then what will come this, so 6 into dy by dx value is 8, 6 into 8 is equal to x square and this divided by 3. Okay beta, this simplified, use equation 1 here. Okay, use equation 1, this is 1, what is given that let this is 1, so from equation 1 use this value. Okay beta, and give here hint, and then x square is equal to 3 2 जा 6, 8 2 जा 16. Okay, and then x is equal to square root of 16 means plus minus 4. Okay beta, plus minus 4. May be positive this x or may be negative. To find the points on the curve, so put this value in the curve. So putting in the curve, so 6y, y coordinate will come, is equal to, if plus 4, x is plus 4, 4 cube plus 2, then 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, 64 plus 2, 66. Okay beta, clear? If plus 4, then y is equal to, what will come? Divided by 6, then 11. Okay, if 4, if minus 4, if x4, if x is 4, ठीक है, then y is 11. Okay, if x is equal to minus 4, then y is equal to 6y is equal to, 6y is equal to minus 4 cube, x is minus 4 plus 2, then minus 4 means minus 64. Okay, negative into negative into negative 3 times, the negative will come, and plus 2, and then 64 minus k 62. Okay, this is your divide by 6. So y equal to this. Okay beta, then divide by 2, 2 3 ja 6, and minus 2 3 ja 6, and 2 1 ja 2, minus 31 upon 3, minus 31 upon 3, this value. Okay, y. So required points, not only one, these are the two. The points on the curve, x coordinate is 4, then y coordinate is 11. Okay beta, this, और दूसरा point, x coordinate is minus 4, then y is minus 31 upon 3. दिस आंसर. तो कर्व पर ये 2 पॉइंट आ गए. ठीक है बेटा, रिक्वायर्ड पॉइंट्स आंसर. तो लाइक दिस वी कैन डू. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. ओके बेटा, नाउ क्वेश्चन 12 इज, व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन 12 इन एनसीईआरटी बुक? सी क्वेश्चन 12. Question 12 in NCERT book is, yes, question 12. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of half centimeter per second. Radius of an air bubble. Air bubble किस शेप का होता है? Air bubble, that is sphere. ओके बेटा, तो रेडियस ऑफ स्फीयर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन. ओके बेटा, let radius of एयर बबल मीन्स स्फीयर. ठीक है बेटा, एयर बबल स्फीयर, लेट x सेंटीमीटर. ओके, व्हाट इज गिवन? रेडियस चेंजिंग and ds by dt at the rate of half centimeter per second. Radius of the bubbles air increasing at the rate of half centimeter per second. So dx by dt given beta this half centimeter per second. Okay beta, this given. After that, at what rate is the volume of the bubble increasing? The volume of the bubble, the volume of the sphere, formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere, differentiate with respect to t, because with respect to time, here rate of change of the volume of the bubble increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter. So rate of change of volume with respect to t we have to find. So dv by dt with respect to t, differentiate, then 4 by 3 constant 3 से मल्टीप्लाई हुई तो 3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो what will come? 3 cancel with this 3, then 4 pi r square. Okay, power formula and into chain rule. This is r, this is not t. So d r means radius, radius means here we have taken x, put here x. Okay, we have taken x cube. Now here radius we have taken x, then this is derivative this x square into dx by dt with respect to t. Okay, put this value from equation 1. इक्वेशन 1 में वैल्यू गिवन है dx by dt, देन dv by dt will be equal, okay बेटा, then 4 pi x square into dx by dt value from the equation 1 half. Okay, then simplify, 2 2 ja 4, then it is 2 pi x square. Okay beta, then saying that when x is equal to 1 centimeter, find rate of change of volume. So rate of change of volume dy by dt at x is equal to 1 centimeter. To add this, what is this? This is 2 into pi into x square. X means 1 square. 1 square is 1. So it is 2 pi. It is 2 pi. ठीक है? And centimeter cube. It is volume. Change of volume. Centimeter cube per second. Okay beta? This is answer. Now like this you can do. ठीक है? Now next question. Question number 13. What is question 13? In NCERT book, see that easy rate of change. ठीक है बेटा? Now question 13 is a balloon which always remains spherical, that is balloon again variable diameter given 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1, diameter given in question number 13. Okay, diameter given of the sphere 3 by 2 into 2x, 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. plus 1 centimeter. No, not given unit. Okay, find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. Rate of change of volume we have to find. This is balloon, diameter of balloon given. ठीक है बेटा. Then radius, what will come? Half of this. So radius r is equal to half of this, means 3/4 into 2x plus 1. ओके बेटा. हाँ ओके बस. this then differentiate this volume. Volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. ओके. r means radius पुट कर दो, इसका होल क्यूब. रेडियस इज 3/4, 3 3 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27 अपॉन 4 क्यूब, 4 चुक 4 4 जा 16, 16 4 जा 64 इंटू 2x प्लस 1. तो इंटू दिस होल क्यूब होना है इसका. 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 होल क्यूब of this radius. Okay beta. Then whole cube formula here, a cube plus b cube, or as it is we can write whole cube because derivative we have to take. Okay, then we can write 2x plus 1 whole cube. Cube formula we can use this. Then differentiate with respect to t. Okay, here saying that, what saying in question 13 with respect to x, है ना, rate of change of its volume with respect to x we have to find. So with respect to x only differentiate here. Okay, because with respect to x we have to find, then it will be, okay, it will be simplify now. 3 9 जा 27. okay, 4 से 4 1 जा 4, 4 6 जा 24. ठीक है. 16 तो 9/16 एंड पाई, तो 9 पाई कांस्टेंट अपॉन 16. ओके बेटा. एंड पावर फॉर्मूला देन 3 इंटू 3 एंड 2x plus 1 power formula power 2 and into derivative of 2x plus 1 chain rule. Then derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2. Then this simplify. Okay beta. Then this 2 say 16, 2 8 ja 16. Okay, now this 3 9 ja 27, 27 pi upon 8. Okay, and into this 2x plus 1 whole square. This, then this is your dv by dx. Okay, now this at x is equal to given something or not given, direct with respect to x. So this is your answer. Okay, the rate of change of this is this answer. Okay, with respect to x saying, that's why done. Okay, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the feedbacks in the comment box, and subscribe the channel and share this video to the contacts, maximum contacts. Okay, thanks.